Also, the great thing with this system is if you've got your charging lead, plug your charging lead into one of these ports at the bottom here. I've got that the right way around, which of course I haven't. So plug that in, plug this in, and if you just wait 1 second, you'll see their CarPlays come up. Low fuel fan station. So CarPlay. This is a brilliant system. You can do whatever you want to do while you're driving. Don't have to take your hand off the steering wheel. Use the voice control. Where's the voice control? Our voice control's there. So we'll get going. Just wait for this car to go by. Very, very handy vehicles, these pickups. Loads of room in the back, and whatever you've got in the back, of course, unlike a van where anything that you've got in the back that smells comes right the way through to the cabin usually, unless there's a bulkhead. This is right in the back and out of the way in the fresh air with the roller shutter on the back. So back to here. Best system ever. Far better than just Bluetooth. You want to make a phone call,